Subscribe to Capital Explained right now because the knowledge you get here can change your life. There are moments in life when everything feels like it has stopped working. You wake up in the middle of the night, staring at the ceiling, unable to sleep. It feels like a heavy weight is pressing on your chest. You are scared to even check your bank account because you already know what you will see. Nothing. Or worse, a large negative balance. Your credit cards are fully used and every unknown phone call makes your heart race because it could be a debt collector. It feels like you are drowning in a dark ocean and the water keeps rising every day. The financial world does not notice you. To them, you do not exist because you have no money to offer. But the truth is, you can rebuild your life from this point. The first step is to fix your mindset. Society makes you believe that being broke or in debt means you are a failure. You feel ashamed, like you are not good enough. But this is wrong. Your value as a person is not decided by your money. This situation is not a moral failure. It is simply a financial mistake. From the beginning, many people are pushed into bad financial habits. Easy credit, unnecessary spending, and pressure to look successful lead people into debt. Yes, mistakes happen, but often the system makes it easy to fall into these traps. However, blaming the system will not change your life. No one is coming to save you. No government, no miracle, no shortcut. If you want to get out, you must take full responsibility and act. Start by facing reality. Many people avoid checking their bills because they are afraid, but avoiding the truth only makes things worse. Sit down, open every account and write down exactly how much you owe. When you face the numbers, the fear slowly starts to reduce. Reaching zero is not failure, it is a fresh start. Going from negative to zero is a big victory, but before that, you must stop your financial losses. Cut all unnecessary expenses. Many people spend money to impress others. Expensive cars, phones, eating out, subscriptions. This is what we can call an ego expense. You are trying to look rich while becoming poorer. If you are in debt, you must stop this immediately. Live a simple life. Cook your own food. Avoid useless spending. If needed, use cheaper transport instead of expensive vehicles. People around you may laugh or criticize you. They may say you are being too serious. Ignore them. Most of them are stuck in the same situation you are trying to escape. Use every saved rupee to pay off your debt. Focus on clearing the highest interest first. This journey will not be easy. It will take time and discipline. But one day, you will clear all your debt. On that day, your balance will be zero. And that will be the most powerful moment of your life. Because at that point, you are free. But that is just the beginning. Even if you have no money, you still have your most valuable asset, time. Every person in the world gets 24 hours a day. The difference is how they use it. Many people waste their free time on social media, entertainment, or complaining, but this only keeps them stuck. If you want to change your life, you must use your time wisely. Spend your extra hours learning new skills, improving yourself, and building something better. You work 8 hours to survive. You sleep 8 hours to recover, and the remaining 8 hours can change your life. Let us take a practical and disciplined approach. Focus on just 4 hours each day, the time between 6 pm and 10 pm. These 4 hours are your rescue window. They are your starting capital, the foundation of your future success. If you waste these hours on entertainment, you are choosing to stay poor. But if you protect them with full focus and discipline, they can buy your freedom. To make this work, you must build a strong routine around your evenings. Many people waste time on activities that bring no value. They argue online about politics, follow celebrity gossip, or spend hours helping others just to appear kind. But when you are financially struggling, you cannot afford to give your time away like this. When you reach home in the evening, treat those 4 hours seriously. Keep distractions away. Turn off your phone, avoid television, and sit in a quiet place. Think of this time as an important investment that must be protected at all costs. At first, silence will feel uncomfortable. Your mind will push you toward distractions, messages, videos, or social media. But you must resist. Once you remove these distractions, your mind will slowly start focusing on what truly matters. This is the point where you shift from consuming to learning. Use these 4 hours to build valuable skills, skills that can increase your income. You must understand an important truth about the job market. It does not care about how hard you work or how tired you feel. It only values one thing: how difficult you are to replace. If someone else can easily do your job, your value remains low. No matter how many hours you work, low paying work will keep you stuck. To change this, you must transform yourself. Move from being easily replaceable to becoming someone valuable and skilled. You do not need expensive degrees or large investments to begin. Instead, focus on learning one specific skill that solves real problems. This could be digital marketing, coding, data analysis, or even a technical trade like plumbing or electrical work. The internet already has everything you need to learn. What matters is discipline and consistency. For the next 6 months, dedicate your evenings to learning. You may not earn money immediately, and people around you may not understand your choices. But while others waste time, you will be increasing your value. Then one day, things begin to change. When you use your skill to solve a real problem and earn your first income, everything feels different. Your first $1,000 will not feel like a regular salary. It will feel powerful because you created it using your own ability. But this is also a dangerous moment. Once you see money in your account, the temptation to spend it will rise. You may feel like rewarding yourself, buying expensive things, or upgrading your lifestyle. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it can pull you back into financial struggle. You must avoid this trap. Continue living simply. Save and reinvest your money into improving your skills and opportunities. This is how growth begins. Slowly, your income increases. Small amounts turn into bigger ones. Over time, your financial situation improves and you gain control over your life. Eventually, you reach a stage where money starts working for you instead of you working only for money. People often admire wealthy individuals, but real strength lies in building yourself from nothing. If someone inherits money, they may lose it easily because they never learned how to create it. But if you build yourself from zero, you gain knowledge, discipline, and confidence. Even if you lose everything again, you will know how to rebuild. The system may try to keep you distracted and dependent, but once you understand this truth, everything changes. Zero is not the end, it is a new beginning. Take control of your time. Focus on growth. Build your skills. Protect your progress. Your way out is already in your hands.